Hey everybody, it's Derek from the Photo Pros. Of course you knew that already because you can probably see that it says Photo Pros behind me. It's a beautiful day and I have the coolest tripod I must share with you on this Friday afternoon. This is the Swiss Army knife of tripods. Check this out. This tripod not only, of course, is adjustable to a very nice height, quick release legs here. You pull this little tab out. You can adjust the legs totally horizontally. So if you have a wall or something you're trying to line it up with, you can do that very quickly. Of course, it does all the standard tilts and shifts, right? But here's the cool thing. Check this out. You can use it with a standard camera, but if you take out the Arca Swiss plate, this comes up like this. Now, you can also use it for your phone. And you just adjust it as needed. Now you have a very cool movie tripod or video tripod for your phone. Check this out. It has a built-in little monopod, handheld selfie device, and another mini tripod underneath. Give us a call at the store, 314-567-3456. I remembered the phone number. Hope you have a great weekend and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Ciao.